In the previous video, we discussed how to solve linear equation in two variables by substitution method. The next method in our syllabus is elimination method. So let's discuss how to solve equations by elimination method. Step 1 is multiply equation by suitable non-zero constant to make coefficient of one variable numerically equal. Now what does this mean? Observe the two equations. The coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1. Coefficient of y is also 1. In equation 2, coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is minus 3. I have to make coefficient of either of the two variable equal. Either I can choose to equate the coefficient of x or I can choose to equate the coefficient of y. For instance, here I am multiplying equation 1 by 2 so that I get coefficient of x equals to 2. On multiplying I get 2x plus 2y and 5 2s will become 10. Now next step is add or subtract the two equations so that one variable gets eliminated. Now how we are going to decide that we have to add or subtract? For this, observe the signs. In this case 2x positive and equation 2 also 2x. The signs of both the coefficient are same. When the signs of the coefficient are same, we are going to subtract. For instance, if I multiplied equation 1 by 3, then it will become 3x plus 3y equals to 15. Okay. So observe here, the coefficient of y is 3, coefficient of y is 3, but signs are opposite. Here the sign is positive and in the equation 2 the sign is negative. So when the signs are different, we are going to add. So here I am going to subtract the equations. For subtracting the equation, I have to change the sign of the second equation. Plus 2x minus 2x cancel. 2y plus 3y will become 5y. 10 minus 4 equals to 6. So value of y is 6 upon 5. You can put this value of y in either of the equation. Put y equals to 6 by 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 was x plus y equals to 5. So x plus 6 upon 5 equals to 5. Value of x will be 5 minus 6 by 5. X equals to 25 minus 6 upon 5. X equals to 19 by 5. This is our answer. Let us take one more example. Next is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0. 9x equals to 2y plus 7. First I am going to write variables on one side and constant on other sides. So it will be 3x minus 5y minus 4. When go to LHS it will become 4 and 9x minus 2y equals to 7. This is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. Now observe here, coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of x is 9. Y 5, coefficient of y 2. I have to make coefficient of any of the one variable equal. If I multiply equation 1 by 3, 3 3s will become 9. So next step will be multiply equation 1 by 3. 9x, 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. Equation 2 was 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Now see, the signs of the variable are same. When the signs are same, we are going to subtract. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, change the signs. Plus 9x minus 9x cancel out. Minus 15 plus 2 will become minus 13. 12 minus 7 equals to 5. So value of y will be minus 5 by 13. Now put y equals to minus 5 by 13 in any of the equation. Let's say I'm putting it in equation 1. It will become 3x minus 5 by 13 equals to 4. Minus 5 minus 5, 5 5s are 25, and minus minus will turn to be positive, equals to 4. 3x equals to 4 minus 25 by 13. Next, take the LCM. So x will be 3x will be 27 by 13, and value of x will be 27 by 13 upon 3. 3 9s are 27. X equals to 9 by 13. This is our answer. Next equation is x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equals to minus 1. X minus y upon 3 equals to 3. Let's say this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is 2 by 3. Coefficient of y is minus 1 by 3. So if I multiply equation 2 by 2, here the coefficient will become 2y by 3, and here also it is 2y by 3. So multiply equation 2 by 2. It will become 2x minus 2y by 3 equals to 6. Equation 1 was x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1. Signs are different. When the signs are different, we are going to add the equations. Adding equations, I'm going to get 2x plus x by 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 2y by 3 cancel out. 6 minus 1 will be 5. 2x plus x upon 2 will become 5x upon 2 equals to 5. Value of x will become 2. Put x equals to 2 in any of the equation. Now put x equals to 2 in equation 1. 2 upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equals to minus 1. Cancel out. 2y by 3 equals to minus 1 minus 1. 2y by 3 equals to minus 2. Y equals to minus 2 multiplied by 3, and this 2 will go in the denominator. So my value of y is minus 3. X equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3. The solution. So the simple rule to solve equation by elimination method is, first equate the coefficient of any of the one variable. You can choose either x or y, and then observe the signs. If the signs are same, we are going to subtract, and if the signs are different, we are going to add.